I now turn to other proposed areas of expenditure in this budget that will support our path towards sustainable and resilient economic growth trajectory. First, let me turn to investing in critical infrastructure. Mr. Speaker, the government will continue to expand critical infrastructure in roads, railways, sea and airports to create an enabling environment for economic recovery and employment creation. Towards this end, I propose to the National Assembly to effect budget allocation of Kenya shillings 244.9 billion to support construction of roads, bridges, as well as their rehabilitation and maintenance. Mr. Speaker, to expand the railway transport, I propose to the National Assembly to effect budget allocation of Kenya shillings 37.4 billion for the second standard gauge railway. For the standard gauge railway. Kenya shillings 579 million for the rehabilitation of the locomotives. Kenya shillings 889 million for the development of Nairobi Railway City. To facilitate movement of goods and people, I propose to the National Assembly to allocate Kenya shillings 1.1 billion for the Nairobi Bus Rapid Transport Project and Kenya shillings 300 million for the acquisition of ferries for Lake Victoria. I have proposed to the National Assembly to effect a budget allocation of, I have also proposed to the National Assembly to effect a budget allocation of Kenya shillings 727 million for the construction and expansion of airports and airstrips. Kenya shillings 500 million for the smart driving license, and Kenya shillings 2.6 million for infrastructure development in Dongo Kudu Special Economic Zone. Mr. Speaker, to support the production of reliable and affordable energy, I propose to the National Assembly to effect budget allocation of Kenya shillings 62.3 billion. Out of this allocation, Kenya shillings 33.8 billion will cater for the national grid system, 12.1 billion will cater for rural electrification, Kenya shillings 11.4 billion will be for development of geothermal energy, Kenya shillings from 3.2 billion will be for alternative energy technologies. Let me move on to improving education outcomes, Mr. Speaker. The ultimate means of ensuring